Hi students, I hope all of you are fine at home. Today we will learn the topic the human brain, which is under class 5 subject science chapter 10 our nervous system. Before starting the topic the human brain, I would like to tell you students that our nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. So our nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Our nervous system controls all the other functions of our body. Our nervous system controls all the other systems of our body. The human brain. Today students we will learn about the human brain. The human brain, under the human brain we will learn about its structure and we will learn about its different parts. That is the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the medulla. These are the different parts of the human brain. So we will learn about its structure and also about its function. Now student, I will show you the diagram of a human brain with its labelings. Now you observe the diagram carefully along with its labelings and listen to my explanation. This diagram shows the structure of a human brain. The brain is the control center of the human body. It receives information from all the parts through different nerves. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg and contains millions of tiny cells. The human brain is protected by a hard bony skull. You can see the labeling students. Skull. So the human brain is protected by a hard bony skull. The space between the skull and the brain and also the inside of the brain is filled with a clear fluid which serves as a cushion against jerks and injuries and protect our brain. Our brain is made up of 3 different parts. Each part has its own work to do. So the 3 different parts of our human brain are the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the medulla. Students, you can see the labelings clearly in the diagram. The cerebrum, then the cerebellum and then the medulla. These are the 3 different parts, 3 major parts of the brain which performs their own function. First we will learn about cerebrum. The cerebrum. The largest part of the brain is the cerebrum. Its dome-shaped surface is covered with deep ridges and grooves. You can see in the picture, its dome-shaped surface is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls the working of our eyes, ears, nose and tongue. It also controls our voice. It is the center of intelligence. We can think, learn, remember and recall because of the cerebrum. Next students, you can see below the cerebrum is the cerebellum. The cerebellum coordinates the actions of the muscles and makes them work together. It helps us to balance our body and keep us in an upright posture. If the cerebellum does not function properly, our body movements become jerky. So the cerebellum helps us to balance our body and keep us in an upright posture. Beneath the cerebellum, you can see there lies the bulb-shaped medulla. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. The medulla connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls involuntary actions. Involuntary actions like the movements of the lungs and the heart. One thing I would like to tell you students, cerebellum controls the voluntary actions. Voluntary actions means which is under our control. But the medulla controls involuntary actions which are not under our control, like the movements of the lungs and the heart. The medulla is active even when we sleep. The brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen. A person faints if his heart is not able to send enough blood to his brain. We must get enough sleep to rest our brain. So students, this is all about today's topic, that is the human brain. I hope students, today's topic is clear to you. So we will again meet in our next video. Till then, study properly, take care of yourself and keep watching the video.